Hello everyone, so today we are going to take a look of the Cricut Explore Air 2 machine. So this machine is supposed to be write and cut 2 times faster than the older machine. So it's a brand new sealed bag. Let's take a look what's inside. So there, it comes with a cutting mat. It comes with a manual. And it also comes with a practice paper. There, practice paper. And now let's take a look of the machine inside. A little bit heavy, and it comes with a pen. This is for drawing. It comes with a power adapter. It also comes with a cable.
So we're gonna show what's inside. So I'm just gonna press this button to open it.
And there's a compartment right here. So this is the smart set dial for easy material settings. So in here you just turn it. If you're making the card stack, just turn it to card stack. And then if you're doing it iron on, then just turn it to iron on. This is the power button, obviously, and for vinyl, for paper, and we also have the pause button. Okay.
The accessory A, it's on the left side, and the accessory B is on the right side.
So accessory A, left side, has a pre-installed adapter to hold a pen or scoring stylus, while the accessory B have a pre-installed blade housing. To change the blade, you must first open the clamp here, take out right there, and then if you're going to take out the blade, just press the button right there,
And always,
and then take it out. So just press the button right there, and then if you are putting it back, just insert it and face it up, and there you go, ready to put it back to the machine. Put the clamp back, and that's it. So now let me show you how to connect the cord. If you see this adapter, just plug it to the outlet. For the cable, just plug it in here, and this is for the computer. Okay guys, so I turn it on. Let me show you all the parts. So this is the open part. If you press it, it will open the machine. This is the storage cap, and this is the cricut cartridge port. This is the clamp A, it's labeled A, and this is for the clamp B, that is for the blade, and the power button, the smart set dial, and This is to load and unload matte button. And this is the pause button. And this is where the matte guides and the rollers. And if you are wondering how to insert a pen, just open the clamp and take out the cover. Just press the pen until you don't see the arrow anymore on the pen, and then close it. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up the machine. So just go to cricut.com/setup. Click on the download. So after downloading, just click on the product and then look for the Cricut Explorer. Fill up all the information that is asking. If you don't have your account yet, just create your account. Just fill up everything. Now it's set up. It's a success. Alright, so that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe.